In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not available to you, and this is 100% working, so make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss out on any important steps. Now the first thing we need to do is head over to our Facebook, and then once you open up Facebook, what you'll now notice is that Marketplace for me is listed at the bottom right here, and it will also show up in my menu right here. Now if this isn't available to you, what we need to do is click on Menu when you are on your homepage. And then you want to scroll down until you see the option for Help and Support. Click on the drop down menu and then select Help Center. Once we click on Help Center, what you will then notice is you will now see an option for Marketplace. Click on this. That will then bring you over to here. Once we are on this page, we simply need to scroll down until we see the option for Was this helpful? You want to click on No. And then once we click on No, you want to select one of these options right here. So I will go ahead and select the information what is confusing, and then what that will do now is it will give you an option to go ahead and submit some feedback. In this box, all you need to do is put something simple like this. So just something really simple like, my marketplace is unavailable on my account, could you please fix this for me? And then what this will do is it will submit this feedback to Facebook. They will then review this and then fix the problem that your Facebook Marketplace isn't showing on your account. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix Marketplace isn't available to you on Facebook.